We need to get truck 12 loaded and moving within the next 15 minutes.
Already on it, the paperwork is ready to go.
That's the last one. If you just want to insert your card right there.
Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. Thanks for stopping by.
This dragon fruit is incredible. You have to try it.
Oh, that's delicious. It's so sweet. Yeah.
I like the prickly pear better.
Here are the cactus fruits I picked yesterday.
Yeah, they look delicious. Thank you.
I'll take one too.
Wow, that looks amazing.
That's amazing.
Did you try the magenta ones yet? Wow, this is really sweet.
I know, right? It's delicious.
We should buy more tomorrow.
Here, try this one, Mijo.
It's so good. Did you grow these yourself?
Only the best for my family.
This is absolutely delicious. Where did you find these?
I grew them myself this season.
They're perfect, Dad.
And then the donkey just walked away with the basket.
Oh, you are exaggerating again, viejo. Mom, can we have more of this fruit tomorrow?
And then the donkey just walked right past the window.
Oh, that is too funny. I completely forgot about that.
Here we go, fresh cactus fruit for everyone. Wow, look at the color on this one. Go ahead, son, but be gentle with it. This is so sweet and juicy. I've never had the yellow ones before, right?
These are definitely the best batch we've picked yet.
Your mother always knew the secret spot.
Look how beautiful the color is. Abuela always picks the best ones.
The victor claims the prize. Well played, well played.
Don't drop it.
That was a lovely meal. Are you finished, sweetie?
Yes, Mama. I'm full.
I'll take these plates now.
Do you want some more tea, Habibti?
Just a little. Thank you, Mama.
The coffee is ready when you want it.
He looked everywhere, only to find the sheep wearing the keffiyeh right on its head. We never let him forget that.
And then the dog just ran straight into the water, soaking Abuela completely.
Papa, that is not what happened.
I swear it was bigger than his head.
All right, but did he actually finish it, though?
He's just showing off now.
All right, let's clear the table. Did everyone enjoy the tea?
Yes, it was lovely. We should do this again tomorrow. Can you grab the last of the plates?
Sure thing. The counter looks great, honey.
I'm almost done with the glasses. Here is the cactus fruit.
Perfect, right next to the hummus.
I'll make space for the platter.
I'm glad we finally got everyone together for dinner tonight. It feels good.
Me too, honey. It was perfect.
This cactus fruit is surprisingly sweet, isn't it?
Yeah, I like the crunchy seeds. Can we grow our own now, Dad?
Here you go, try this one.
Thank you, darling. It looks delicious.
That was a lovely meal, wasn't it? Yeah. Yeah, the cactus. Yeah.
Yes, the cactus fruit was perfect this year. That was a lovely meal, honey.
It really was. Are you warm enough by the fire?
Careful with that platter.
Silverware goes right here.
Are we out of detergent tabs? I think I saw some under the sink, Mom.
That was such a wonderful meal, honey. I'm so full now.
I know I might need help getting off this couch later.
You always say that.
Did Did you see that?
Yeah, that was funny.
I missed it.
I'm telling you, this batch is the best we've had all season.
It really is sweet. We should get some more this weekend before it's gone.
Here's your water. Careful now.
Thanks, Dad.
Okay, time for bed. Let's go.
That was a wonderful meal, dearest.
Yes, the baklava turned out perfectly this time.
Yeah.
Grandfather says the coffee is excellent too.
That chicken was absolutely delicious, wasn't it?
The best I've had in a long time.
Yeah. I almost ate my plate too. Remember when Tio did that at Abuela's house?
I'm so glad we finally got these.
He's gonna with us.
Me too. They remind me of home.
Your turn. Roll the dice.
I hope I don't land there again.
Go on, shake them well.
You can only find them this fresh this time of year.
Wow. This is incredible. You have to try this piece, Mom.
He's right. This is the best one yet.
This is the best pitaya I've had all season.
Abuelo grew these himself.
I can't wait to try it.
This cactus fruit is incredibly refreshing, isn't it, Kareem?
It tastes like sunshine. We should get more tomorrow.
That was a lovely dessert.
It really was. Are you finished there, sweetie?
Yes, all done.
All right, forks go here, spoons over there.
Got it? You two are doing a great job.
Here is the coffee, Habibi.
Ah, it smells wonderful. Are you comfortable there, son?
Yes, thank you, Father.
Look at that part right there.
Oh, wow, that is really funny. Did you like the red ones better?
Yes, they were sweeter.
We should get more tomorrow.
Can you grab the glasses, Mijo?
Sure, Mom.
I'll take these plates to the kitchen.
I think I will rest here for a while.
Yes, it's been a long day. We will take care of the dishes. Here you go, sweetie. Try this one.
So good.
I'm glad you like it.
They are finally winding down. It's been a long day. I love these quiet evenings.